Hello guys, and welcome back to class. Today we are going to be making t subject of formula. This question is s is equal to ut plus half at squared, and we are asked to make t subject of the formula. It would have been very simple if we had just this t here and this one is not here, or we have only this and this is not here. But in this situation now, we have a t here and we have one other t here. If I decide to factorize t out, I will have something like this: t into u plus half at. You see, t is still found here. So it looks a little bit difficult to make t subject of this formula, subject of the formula. But this is the idea I want you to have. I will take this s to this place. So I'm going to have, it's going to imply that I will have 1 over 2 at squared plus ut minus s is equal to 0, right? Now I want to deal with this half, I want to deal with it. So I'll multiply every term here by 2. So if I multiply this term by 2, I'm going to have the 2 cancel this. So I'm going to have at squared plus 2 ut minus 2s is equal to 0. Good. Now this is what I have. I'm going to use quadratic formula to solve this. Now for my quadratic formula, my a is equal to my first term here, and my b is equal to 2u, then my c is equal to minus 2x. So I'm looking for t, right? So my t is something like this: minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So I'll just put each of the value of what I have here. A is this, b, and the rest into this place. So I'm going to have something like this. Now making t subject of the formula, I'm having minus b, and what's my b? My b is 2u. So I have minus 2u plus or minus the square root of b squared, that's 2u squared. So if I square 2u, I'll have 2u all squared minus 4 into my a here is what? My a is a, and my c is 2s. So my a is a, and my c is minus 2s all over 2a, right? 2 times a here is a. So from this point, my t will be equal to minus 2u plus or minus square root of, if I square this, I'm going to have 4u squared, multiplying everything here, plus 8as all over 2a, all over 2a. So you see, with this now, you'll discover that t has been made subject of the formula. I used the quadratic formula and I expressed it in this format, and I got this. So that's a very simple way to do something of this nature. If you have a squared and you still have the same variable in that same equation, it will be easier to use the quadratic formula to make any of them subject of the formula. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Till then, I'll see you in the next class.